We got a Syntex Infinity that we're going to replace today, and I'm going to put a keypad on and inside the guardhouse. This AMKP bilinear. I'm going to start off with that right now, and then I got my AE1000 staying cool inside the truck. This is what I took out of the guard shack. I didn't take a picture of it inside because it had resident information in there, but this is back in the day. If you had a guard shack and you wanted to call a resident as opposed to walking out to the telephone entry, you could just pick this up. It would go off hook just like it would on the telephone entry, and then you would dial their directory code and it would call the resident and they would say, yeah, he can come in. Then you would just press 9. Put the AMKP in, and now we'll work on the telephone entry. I'm going to take this in the guard shack and take it out of the box and start taking the housing, taking the control board out since it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. Don't want to get any damage on that, and then I'll take the other telephone entry down.